Hi, I'm Abigail C. Almoete from NR23. Today I'm going to show you how to bath a baby. Hygiene is an important aspect of baby care, and daily bath is essential to keep the baby clean and fresh. It also provides opportunity to the nurses to identify any developmental skin infections which should be brought to the notice of the physician. You will be needing the following items to bath your baby: before we start, make sure that you perform hand hygiene technique and ensure that you have all the necessary items within the area. Remember to never leave the baby unattended during bath time. The next thing that we should do is to assess the situation in the child, and after that we may proceed with preparing the bath.
Fill the basin with cold water first, then warm water up till 1/3 level of the tub. Mix the water well and use your elbow to test the temperature of the water. Make sure it is comfortably warm and not too hot. Squeeze 2 drops of baby soap to the water and mix well. Place your baby into the bath towel and gently remove the vest. Talk to your baby so that he feels reassured. Then undress the baby Next, wrap him up with a towel, keeping his hands and feet wrapped within the towel. Cleaning your baby's eyes, dip the cotton balls into the cool boiled water and squeeze out the excess water. Clean your baby's eyes by starting from the inner canthus to the outer canthus of the eye. Use a new piece of cotton ball for each eye and clean one stroke. Do not reuse the same piece to clean back and forth. Cleaning your baby's face. Wash your baby's face with cool boiled water. You can either use a face cloth or cotton balls deep in the water. Clean your baby's face from center outwards, making sure you wipe the forehead, the nose, the cheeks, and the mouth. Washing your baby's hair. Carry your baby using a football hold and tuck him between your arm and the side of your body. Tilt his head slightly backward over the bath basin and wash his hair. Then, dry his hair gently with the corner of the towel wrap. Place your baby on the table to unwrap him. You are now ready to place the baby into the tub of water or his bath, washing the baby's body. Washing your baby's body. Slide your right hand under the buttocks and grip the baby's tight and lead your baby into the bathtub. Allow your baby to sit in the tub with your left hand still supporting the baby's shoulder while keeping your baby's head above the water level. Release your right hand grip and bath the baby's front and private area with the help of a face cloth. Once done, use your right hand to take over the grip under the baby's armpit and allow him to lean forwards over your right arm while you clean his back and buttocks with your left hand. Talk and sing to your baby as you bath him and make the bath time enjoyable. When you are done, lift him out of the water, same way you brought him in. Place your baby gently into the towel and pat him dry. Pay attention to the skin folds and be sure to dry him behind the ears, between his fingers and toes, under his armpit and private area. Dressing your baby. Do not overdress your baby. Wear clothes that are comfortable for the environment. Cuddle your baby often to reassure him. With your baby feeling clean, fresh, and comfortable, it is time for a good feed. Babies usually sleep better after a warm bath too.